Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Warm and muggy today. Summer-like temperatures too, up around 90 inland, mid to upper 80s at the coastal, 80s on Cape Cod. Storm-free today. The real stifling stuff comes back tomorrow. Forecast heat index upper 90s, around 100 degrees tomorrow with the humidity factored in. We'll approach record highs in some communities. And there will be some fog in the morning. Low cloud cover along the south coast. By 2 to 4 p.m., some storms start to pop. I think the most action will be during the early evening hours, where a few storms could become strong to severe either side of the Mass Pike. Back south of Boston tomorrow, locally heavy rainfall, some lightning, some brief gusty wind will be possible. But that marks the leading edge of much cooler, drier air. We'll be in the 70s on Friday. Really pleasant end to the week. Mid-70s on Saturday with sun and clouds. A little taste of fall this weekend with crisp air in place. 70 on Sunday with increasing clouds, some rain likely heading into the start of next week.